Iremasu choco. Banana choco. Size.
This one is, we have 41 to 45.
Nice. Come. Very cheap.
To GS Kicks in a car.
Oh, very cheap. Here, come here. Nasaan mo ka ng prosto obos?
No.
It's a prank. Arigato. Heri-san. 안녕하세요. 그리고 시나모. 시리사나 칼바스도. 에리가나 시르바시도. 지니바나 시르도. 지나. 이리가 시나마시네. Pana, name.
My name Anirika. I'm Anirika Mayor.
Erika?
Anirika.
Anirika. Hi, Anirika. Age.
Magaling kang
Age.
kupal ka.
16. Ay. Taga-asa po ka? Taga-asa ka? Asa niya? Asa niya?
No. No. Sirisan mo. Inanasin washi.
Ginagawa mo.
알았어. 지리산. push. What? 하레바 스리치는 먹었다. Shoes. Good. Shoes. Okay. In. Okay.
Magaling kang kupal ka.
나는 쓰러라. How much?
34998. 998 for 3.
Okay.
This one is 24998. 998 is good for 2 shoes.
Okay.
This one
900.
is 98.
Two pair.
2 pairs.
Two pair.
This one is
Nice.
3 pairs for
3 pairs.
998. Yeah.
Okay. Price. Good. Nice. Also, this one. 24998.
This one is 1,498. 2 pairs.
How much?
1,498.
Two.
Magaling kang kupal ka.
So, iremasu choco. Banana choco. Size.
This one is, we have 41 to 45.
Nice.
41 to
Nice.
45.
What name?
Name is GS Cakes. GS Cakes in a bar.
Oh, nice. Owner. Owner.
No. Just my cousin.
Oh, your.
Owner, please.
Okay. Be nice. So, come. What place?
This
Yeah.
is Mactan, Lapu-Lapu.
Mactan.
The barangay is Mactan and the street is Songon.
Magaling kang kupal
nice.
ka.
Soong. Name.
Me? Mark Allen.
Mark. Very nice one.
Thank you.
Come. Very
Come
cheap.
to GS Cakes in a car.
Oh, very cheap. Here, come here. Nasaan mo ka ng prosto obos? Prosto nga.
No.
Nasaan mo ka ng prosto obos? Prosto nga.
No.
It's a prank. Prank paano may more vlog sa ato ni shop ato yung mga GS Kicks and Apparels. Very nice. Agis boosting. It's a prank. Okay na boss. Ako i-upload
What's your name, Simon?
Vino.
Vino.
Yang
Vino.
Vino ang. Okay. It's a prank. Ari mo guys, barato ra gyud no? Tre, barato ra gyud no? Barato ra gyud. Nara diri sa suong uno sa mas.
Ilat yun na.
Kasi sulti mo. Good. Bro, tino ko na.
Vino. Pati mo good.
Laman siya. Sige, shout out boss.
Shout out sa JS Cakes and Apparels and mo mama.
Oy, mama mo. Okay. It's a prank. Bye-bye, boss. Salamat sa. Salamat.